Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up POV Sport capture mode on GoPro Mission 1. To do that, on the camera itself you have to swipe to the right to open the modes menu. Here you can actually select the sport mode, Sport POV, and start recording right away, or adjust the Sport POV settings by tapping right here, where you can change the aspect ratio, the resolution, the frame rate of your camera, as well as adjust the capture settings, image settings, audio settings, and shortcuts. And you can also override the dashboard if you want to. Besides, you will also need to use a head strap. Thankfully there are some head straps from GoPro which are definitely compatible. Head strap is attached right here. You can use head strap 2.0, or for example something like chesty or bite mount for real POV experience. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.